So, a court upholds the death sentence of church shooter Dylann Roof, August 25th, 2021. AP News. More specifically, unanimous three-judge panel of the Fourth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals of Richmond rejected arguments that the young white man should have been ruled incompetent to stand trial in the shooting at Mother Emanuel AME Church in Charleston. I mean, come on. He planned the attack. He got the weapons. There's so much logistics. There's so much logistics that it's just. I mean, all the people that are locked up innocently that never get a fair shot, and these people just do the most grotesque things, and it's like their appeals just get ran. I don't know. It's crazy. So 2017, Roof became the first person in the U.S. sentenced to death for a federal hate crime. Authorities have said Roof opened fire during the closing prayer of Bible study at the church, raining down dozens of bullets on those assembled. He was 21 at the time. Yeah, it's disgusting. Yeah. In his appeal, his attorney argued that he was wrongfully allowed to represent himself during sentencing, a critical phase in his trial. Roof successfully prevented jurors from hearing evidence about his mental health. Under the delusion, his attorneys argued that he would be rescued from prison by white nationalists, but only bizarrely if he kept his mental health impairments out of public record. Sheesh. People are crazy.
Today, we're hearing from what's expected to be the prosecution's final witness, one of three survivors that awful night at Bible study, who says Dylann Roof only spared her so she could tell the story. Today, federal prosecutors are...
Yeah, mentally incompetent, but he has like a massacre training course in his daggone backyard.
Expected to rest their case against Dylann Roof, the 22-year-old accused of a massacre fueled by hate. These newly released videos played in court show Roof in target practice. Investigators say he was carefully planning out to carry out his rampage and had even staked out Charleston's Emanuel AME Church multiple times. In court, they retraced his steps using GPS data, alleging
not gonna play the incompetence. Like if you have the mental capacity to do all of these things, then I don't even see how do these guys even get appeals, like, for real?
Stopped at plantations and other historic sites in the months before the shooting. Prosecutors laid out his racially inflammatory writings, photos of the Confederate flag, and a potential hit list of other churches found in his car, along with surveillance video of Roof entering and exiting the church the night of the killings.
Well, did I kill him?
Yeah, this is crazy. You know, they'll do it. I mean, already they brought violence to America. Like, it's unbelievable. It's just that they are allowed to do all of these crazy things and then turn around and play victim.
Well, I guess.
And his chuckle during a chilling confession to FBI agents. Roof is charged with 33 federal counts, including hate crimes. His defense team has not disputed the facts of the case and has offered to plead guilty in exchange for the death penalty being taken off the table. Prosecutors have refused. Inside the courtroom, Roof has sat silently, mostly looking down at the table in front of him. During his FBI interview after his arrest, he was asked whether he wanted to kill more.
I mean, these questions are so weird. It's almost like a praiseful energy, but I don't know, maybe that's, what type of question is that?
People.
Oh, no, I was worn out.
Right now, Dylann Roof has his own lawyers, but he's asked the court to represent himself during sentencing.